Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is NEET exam preparation questions. Question number 1. Between ectoderm and endoderm, an undifferentiated layer mesoglea is not present in option A. Coelenterata, option B. Ctenophora, option C. Platyhelminthes, option D. Both A and B. The correct answer is option C. Platyhelminthes. Between ectoderm and endoderm, an undifferentiated layer mesoglea is not present in platyhelminthes. Question number 2. Water canal system of sponges is helpful in option A. Food gathering, option B. Respiratory exchange, option C. Removal of waste, option D. All of above. The correct answer is option D. All of above. Sponges have a water transport or canal system. Water enters through minute pores, ostia, in the body wall into a central cavity, spongus, from where it goes out through the osculum. This pathway of water transport is helpful in food gathering, respiratory exchange and removal of waste. Question number 3. In metagenesis, option A. Polyps produce medusae asexually and medusae produces polyp asexually. Option B. Polyps produce medusae sexually and medusae produce polyp asexually. Option C. Polyps produce medusae asexually and medusae produce polyps sexually. Option D. Polyp produce medusae sexually and medusae produce polyps sexually. The correct answer is option C. Polyps produce medusae asexually and medusae produce polyps sexually. Metagenesis is the reproduction cycle of an organism that alternates between sexual and asexual generations. An example of metagenesis is the reproduction cycle of a cnidarian. Question number 4. Choose correct statement. Option A. Cartilaginous fish have to swim constantly to avoid sinking due to absence of air bladder. Option B. In amphibia and fish tympanum represents ear. Option C. Cyclostomes body have scale and paired fins. Option D. Bony fish have placoid scale. The correct answer is option A. Cartilaginous fish have to swim constantly to avoid sinking due to absence of air bladder. Tympanum is a large external oval-shaped membrane made up of non-glandular skin. It is located just behind the eye. It does not process sound waves, it simply transmits them to the inner parts of the amphibian's ear. Cyclostome's body is devoid of scales and paired fins. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. Placoid scales are the tiny, tough scales that cover the skin of cartilaginous fish. This includes sharks, rays, and other scates. Question number 5. Cnidoblasts are used for option A. Anchorage, option B. Defense, option C. Capturing prey, option D. All of above. The correct answer is option D. All of above. A cnidocyte, also known as a cnidoblast or nematocyte, is an explosive cell containing one giant secretory organelle or cnida that defines the phylum Cnidarius, such as corals, sea anemones, hydrae, jellyfish, etc. Cnidae is used for capturing prey and defending against predators. Question number 6. Development through many larval stages is character of option A. Nemathelminthes, option B. Platyhelminthes, option C. Anthropoda, option D. Echinodermata. The correct answer is option B. Platyhelminthes. Liver fluke is a member of class Trematoda of the phylum Platyhelminthes. The larva of liver fluke is called Miracidium andreadia. Platyhelminthes, also known as flatworm. Question number 7. Pelvic fins bears clasper in males of option A. Osteichthyes, option B. Mammals, option C. Cyclostomata, option D. Chondrichthyes. The correct answer is option D. Chondrichthyes. In male members of chondrichthyes, that is sharks and rays, as well as now extinct placoderms, the pelvic fins bear specialized claspers. During copulation, one clasper is inserted into the female's cloaca, and sperm is flushed by the male's body through a groove into the female. Question number 8. Only gland present at base of tail in birds. Option A. Oil gland. Option B. Sweat gland. Option C. Mammary gland. Option D. Salivary gland. The correct answer is Option A. Oil gland. The uropygial gland, informally known as the preen gland or the oil gland, is a bilobed sebaceous gland possessed by the majority of birds. It is located dorsally at the base of the tail. Question number 9. Haploids are able to express both recessive and dominant alleles/mutations because there are Option A. Many alleles for each gene. Option B. Only 2 alleles in a gene. Option C. Only 1 allele for each gene in the individual. Option D. 2 alleles for each gene. The correct answer is Option B. Only 2 alleles in a gene. Haploids are able to express both recessive and dominant alleles/mutations because there are only 1 allele for each gene in the individual. Hybrid is an organism containing 2 different alleles or individual containing both dominant and recessive genes of an allelic pairs. Question number 10. In 1900 AD, 3 biologists independently rediscovered Mendel's principles. They were Option A. Sutton, Morgan, and Bridges. Option B. Bateson, Punnett, and Bridges. Option C. Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy. Option D. De Vries, Carens, and Chermak. The correct answer is Option D. De Vries, Carens, and Chermak. 3 botanists, namely Hugo de Vries, Carl Carens, and Erich von Chermak, independently rediscovered Mendel's work in the same year, a generation after Mendel published his papers. Question number 11. If a cross is made between AA and A, the nature of F1 progeny will be Option A. Genotypically AA, phenotypically A. Option B. Genotypically AA, phenotypically A. Option C. Genotypically AA, phenotypically A. Option D. Genotypically AA, phenotypically A. The correct answer is Option D. Genotypically AA, phenotypically A. If a cross is made between AA and AA, the nature of F1 progeny will be genotypically AA, phenotypically A. Question number 12. Mendel did not propose Option A. Dominance. Option B. Segregation. Option C. Incomplete dominance. Option D. Independent assortment. The correct answer is Option C. Incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance, expression of new phenotypes in the progeny, other than the parents, is called incomplete dominance. It was German botanist Carl Carens who is credited with the actual discovery of incomplete dominance. Question number 13. When a hybrid pea plant for yellow round seeds, YRR, is self-pollinated, the phenotypic ratio in the next generation would be Option A. 9:7. Option B. 1:2:2. 1:4:1:2:2:1. Option C. 12:3. Option D. 9:3:3:1. The correct answer is Option D. 9:3:3:1. When a dihybrid pea plant with the yellow round seeds YYRR is self-pollinated, in the next generation, 9 plants with the yellow round seeds, 3 plants with the yellow wrinkled seeds, 3 plants green, round seeds, 1 plant with green wrinkled seeds are formed. The phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. Question number 14. The Bt toxin is not toxic to human beings because Option A. The pro-Bt toxin activation requires temperature above human body temperature. Option B. The Bt toxin recognizes only insect-specific targets. Option C. The Bt toxin formation from pre-Bt toxin requires pH lower than that present in human stomach. Option D. Conversion of pro-Bt toxin to Bt toxin takes place only in highly alkaline conditions. The correct answer is Option D. Conversion of pro-Bt toxin to Bt toxin takes place only in highly alkaline conditions. Bt toxin is not toxic to human beings because our stomach digests the concerned protein, and due to this Bt toxin is not toxic to humans. Bt toxin is an activated form of an inactive protoxin form, crystal protein, which is synthesized by a bacteria named Bacillus thuringiensis. Question number 15. Transgenic plants are the ones. Option A. Produced after protoplast fusion in artificial medium. Option B. Grown in artificial medium after hybridization in the field. Option C. Produced by a somatic embryo in artificial medium. Option D. Generated by introducing foreign DNA into a cell and regenerating a plant from that cell. The correct answer is Option D. Generated by introducing foreign DNA into a cell and regenerating a plant from that cell. Transgenic plants are the ones whose DNA is modified using genetic engineering techniques. A transgenic plant contains a gene or genes that have been artificially inserted. The inserted gene sequence is known as the transgena. Question number 16. Fill up the blanks. At present, about recombinant therapeutics have been approved for human use the world over. In India, of these are presently being marketed. Option A. 30, 12. Option B. 40, 20. Option C. 109, 32. Option D. 111, 9. The correct answer is Option A. 30, 12. The recombinant DNA technological processes have made immense impact in the area of healthcare by enabling mass production of safe and more effective therapeutic drugs. At present, about 30 recombinant therapeutics have been approved for human use the world over. In India, 12 of these are presently being marketed. Question number 17. Which one of the following sequences was proposed by Darwin and Wallace for organic evolution? Option A. Overproduction, variations, constancy of population size, natural selection. Option B. Variations, constancy of population size, overproduction, natural selection. Option C. Overproduction, constancy of population size, variations, natural selection. Option D. Variations, natural selection, overproduction, constancy of population size. The correct answer is Option C. Overproduction, constancy of population size, variations, natural selection. Charles Darwin proposed the theory of natural selection. According to his theory, all species have great reproductive or fertile potential. Most population are stable in size. Most of the variations are heritable. Natural selection are limited. Question number 18. Use and disuse theory was proposed by Option A. Lamarck. Option B. Darwin. Option C. Hugo de Vries. Option D. Malthus. The correct answer is Option A. Lamarck enunciated the law of use and disuse, which states that when certain organs become specially developed as a result of some environmental need, then that state of development is hereditary and can be passed on to progeny. He believed that in this way, over many generations. Question number 19. Given figure provides evidence for evolution represents Option A. Homologies. Option B. Convergent evolution. Option C. Competition. Option D. Both A and B. The correct answer is Option A. Homologies. Question number 20. Which of the following statement does not favor the mutation theory? Option A. It is saltatory process. Option B. They are ultimate source of variation. Option C. Mutation fluctuate around the normal traits and is directional. Option D. Create genetic variation. The correct answer is option C. Mutation fluctuate around the normal traits and is directional. A mutation is a change in DNA, the hereditary material of life. So a change in an organism's DNA can cause changes in all aspects of its life. Mutations are essential to evolution. They are the raw material of genetic variation. Without mutation, evolution could not occur. Question number 21. Growth hormone of pituitary is more effective in option A. Presence of thyroxine. Option B. Absence of thyroxine. Option C. Absence of insulin. Option D. Presence of adrenaline. The correct answer is option D. Presence of adrenaline. Growth hormone is more effective when released in presence of adrenaline because adrenaline stimulates pituitary cell to release growth hormone. Question number 22. Gorilla-like man with large head and hands and protruding jaws is produced due to option A. Oversecretion of thyroxine. Option B. Oversecretion of growth hormone. Option C. Excess of vitamin C in diet. Option D. Excess secretion of TSH. The correct answer is option B. Oversecretion of growth hormone. Gorilla-like man with large head and hands and protruding jaws is produced due to oversecretion of growth hormone. Question number 23. If cerebellum of man gets damaged, his movement become option A. Shaky and speech become defective. Option B. Unbalanced, walk uncontrolled, defective speech and intention tremor. Option C. Jerky and defective speech. Option D. Jerky and walked uncontrolled. The correct answer is option B. Unbalanced, walk uncontrolled, defective speech and intention tremor. The cerebellum receives information from the sensory systems, the spinal cord, and other parts of the brain and then regulates motor movements. The cerebellum coordinates voluntary movements such as posture, balance, coordination, and speech, resulting in smooth and balanced muscular activity. Question number 24. When the medulla oblongata is compressed, then what happens? Option A. Immediately die. Option B. Die after few hours. Option C. Live at 1 hour and after it may die. Option D. No effect. The correct answer is option A. Immediately die. The medulla oblongata helps regulate breathing, heart and blood vessel function, digestion, sneezing, and swallowing. This part of the brain is a center for respiration and circulation. Sensory and motor neurons, nerve cells, from the forebrain and midbrain travel through the medulla. So, if medulla oblongata is compressed, then person may die immediately. Question number 25. The cardiac pacemaker in a patient fails to function normally. The doctor finds that an artificial pacemaker is to be grafted in him. It is likely that it will be grafted at the site of option A. Purkinje system. Option B. Sinuatrial node. Option C. Atrioventricular node. Option D. Atrioventricular bundle. The correct answer is option B. Sinuatrial node. Sinuatrial node is known as the heart's natural pacemaker. The impulse starts in a small bundle of specialized cells located in the right atrium, called the sinuatrial node. The electrical activity spreads through the walls of the atria and causes them to contract. This forces blood into the ventricles. Question number 26. If spleen of human is removed from body, then option A. Will die. Option B. Number of blood platelets will increase. Option C. Number of blood platelets will decrease. Option D. There will be no effect on the number of blood platelets. The correct answer is option D. There will be no effect on the number of blood platelets. Spleen is important for your body's defense against germs. When your spleen is removed or doesn't work properly, you are at higher risk of infection, particularly from certain types of bacteria. Question number 27. Arrange the following in the order of increasing volume. A. Tidal volume. B. Residual volume. C. Inspiratory reserve volume. D. Vital capacity. Option A. A, B, C, D. Option B. A, C, B, D. Option C. A, D, C, B. Option D. A, D, B, C. The correct answer is option A, B, C, D. The order of increasing volume, tidal volume, residual volume, inspiratory reserve volume, vital capacity. Question number 28. Which of the following is not found in renal cortex? A. Henle's loop. B. Vasa recta. C. Glomerulus. D. Bowman capsule. Option A, B and C. Option B. A and B. Option C. B and D. Option D. A and C. The correct answer is option B. A and B. Glomerulus and Bowman capsule are found in renal cortex. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.